Alright, I'll walk you through how to give your Windows 11 a smooth glass style look, kind of like what you see on Apple devices. First, you'll need a few files. I added everything in the link below the video so you can download them from there. Let's start the setup by applying the wallpaper. Once you set it as your background, your desktop will look clean and glossy. Next, you can make File Explorer transparent. Open the Explorer Blur Mica folder and run the registry file inside it. After it runs, File Explorer will turn into a clear, see-through style. It looks more modern and fresh right away. But for now, I don't want to use this feature. If you want it, the link is in the description. Then the third step, which is the main step, is to download Windhawk. Link is also in the description. After downloading and installing Windhawk, open it. Go to Explorer. In Explorer, open the details for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click Install. After installing, go to Settings. In the Theme section, select the Windows Glass option. Make sure to click Save Settings, otherwise it won't work. Go back and open the details for taskbar height and icons. Install it. After installing, go to Settings. Here, you need to change a few options. Set the taskbar height to 70. Set the icon size to 30. Set the taskbar button width to 40. Set the small icon size to 20. Set the small taskbar button width to 30. And your Windows 11 will have a clean, simple, and unique glass style look. Got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.